AI is everywhere, including all over Typeform. We have a ton of new and always evolving AI features in Typeform that'll help you create your forms faster, get deeper with your respondents, and set up integrations even quicker. In this video, I'm going to show you the 5 best ways to use AI to get the most out of Typeform. And right before we dive in, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you want to see more content just like this. Okay, let's talk AI. You can use Typeform AI to create an entire form from scratch. When you click to create a new form, simply write a prompt or use speech to explain what type of form you're trying to create. You can even upload a file to help set AI in the right direction. You'll instantly get a draft form, and you can keep chatting to the AI to finesse it. You can even ask it to do things like add logic or branching, change question settings like making all of the questions required, or just change the tone of voice. You can also add things about your company to your AI memory so that you don't have to repeat yourself every time you want to make a new form. Once you're in the builder, you can also use AI on individual questions so that it comes up with better wording or different answer options. We have 2 AI-powered question blocks that'll help both you and your respondents get the answers they're looking for. The first one is called Clarify with AI, which asks tailored follow-up questions based on a respondent's answer to an open-ended question. Go to Add Content, find Clarify with AI, and then write in your question. If respondents give a vague answer to this question, the AI will dive a bit deeper to get more meaningful information, asking up to 2 follow-up questions. And you'll be able to see the entire conversation in your Results tab under Responses. There's also a question block called FAQ with AI, which lets respondents ask questions and get immediate AI-generated answers. Once you add the question type, all you need to do is paste in your knowledge base. Here, I'm uploading some information about an upcoming event. Now, when respondents fill in my event registration form and have extra questions about the event, they'll get an immediate answer with information pulled from the knowledge base. You can automatically translate your form into different languages using AI. In your form settings, go to Language. You can choose to have the form automatically translated based on the language of someone's browser or add specific languages. Just click Go to Translations, add a language, select the language you want to translate to, then hover over and click the Translate with AI button. In seconds, you'll have a translated version of your form. You can get clear visual summaries of your response data with Smart Insights. In your Results tab, under Smart Insights, you'll see dashboards and charts highlighting key patterns and themes in your responses. You'll also see summaries that point out some of the more notable trends in your data. You can automate your workflows and connect with other tools with the help of Zapier AI. From the Connect panel in Typeform, you can describe the flow that you want to create, the tools you'd like to connect, and Zapier AI will build the Zap for you. And there's no technical language required here. It's the easiest way to connect your form with your favorite apps and turn your form responses into automated actions. All right, so those are some of the coolest ways that you can leverage AI in Typeform to make your form faster, your insights deeper, and your flows more seamless. But as I mentioned at the top of this video, these features are ever evolving, and we have more and more AI features popping up in Typeform all the time. So make sure to check out the Typeform community and the Typeform Help Center for news of all of our latest releases. And as always, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you don't want to miss our next video drop. Until next time.